Upgrades to the city's North Fire Station are underway, and design plans are in motion for a new fire station in Southeast Lake Wales. A groundbreaking ceremony took place at the city's North Fire Station to kick off the expansion of the facility located on Chalet Suzanne Road. The plan is to accommodate more staff on shifts. Renovations include expanding the dayroom, adding sleeping quarters, and 2 new bathrooms. Commissioner Keith Thompson had this to share.
It's important to understand that, yes, we are responding to the growth, we are responding to the infrastructure that's needed, and the city's responsibility on that part is definitely in the realm of public safety and mainly water. But we take public safety very, very seriously. We want our response times in fire and rescue to be short, and we want them to always be ready to respond. And of course, we're always looking at policing efforts as well.
Growing responsibly is a key component of the city's comprehensive plan. A new fire station is in the works to support the growing needs of the community. It will be located at the intersection of Hunt Brothers Road and Nest Egg Road. The new design will serve as a blueprint for fire stations, streamlining the process and maximizing operational efficiency. Stay connected with us on social media, subscribe to us on Nextdoor, and tune in to us on YouTube.